Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could change your life but felt it's too complicated? You're not alone. Many people feel that way, and that's why I'm here. Hi everyone, I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to make the magic of AI simple and accessible for everyone. Welcome to Genie AI. My goal is to create tools and share knowledge to bring AI to all, especially older adults. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to start using AI today. It's going to be fun and easy, so let's get started. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly artificial intelligence or AI? Well, in simple terms, it's like having a really smart assistant who lives inside your computer or phone. This assistant can understand what you say, learn from your questions, and even make decisions based on what it learns. Think about it like this. Have you ever asked Siri to set a reminder for you? Or maybe you've noticed that Netflix seems to know exactly which movies you'd enjoy. That's AI in action. It's already all around us, making our lives easier and more enjoyable. AI is really good at finding patterns and making predictions. For example, if you tell an AI about your favorite books and movies, it can recommend new ones that you might like. Or if you show it a bunch of pictures of cats, it can learn to recognize a cat in any picture. There are so many user-friendly AI tools available today that are designed for everyone, even if you've never used a computer before. In the next chapter, we'll explore some simple AI tools that you can start using right away. Now that you understand what AI is all about, let's dive into the fun part, actually using it. There are tons of great AI tools out there, but for beginners, I recommend starting with something simple and easy to use, like ChatGPT or Grok. ChatGPT and Grok are both AI-powered chatbots that you can talk to just like you would a real person. You can ask them questions, give them tasks, or even just have a casual conversation. The best part is, both of these tools are free to use and incredibly easy to get started with. Just head over to their websites, create a free account, and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start typing. Don't be shy. Go ahead and ask your AI friend a question about anything that interests you. It could be something simple like, what's the weather like today? Or, you could try something more challenging like, write me a short story about a cat who goes on an adventure. The possibilities are endless. You can ask about history, science, get help with writing, translate languages, and so much more. The more you use these tools, the more you'll discover what they're capable of. Okay, now that you've dipped your toes into the world of AI, let's see how it can help you with everyday tasks. Think about some of the things you do on a regular basis that take up your time or feel a little tedious. Maybe it's writing emails, planning trips, or even just figuring out what's for dinner. AI can help with all of these things and more. For instance, let's say you need to write a thank you email to your friend for a lovely dinner party. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can ask your AI assistant to help. Simply type in a prompt like, write a thank you email to friend's name for the dinner party. Within seconds, the AI will generate a well-written email that you can then personalize and send off. Or maybe you're planning a trip to a new city and feeling overwhelmed by all the options. You can ask your AI assistant to create a personalized itinerary for you based on your interests, budget, and travel dates. And yes, AI can even help with dinner. If you're stuck in a cooking rut, just tell your AI assistant what ingredients you have on hand, and it can suggest delicious recipes that you can easily whip up. These are just a few examples of how AI can simplify your daily life. As with anything new, learning to use AI takes a little practice, but don't let that intimidate you. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly learning and improving, and so will you. The more you interact with AI tools, the better you'll understand how they work and how to get the most out of them. One of the best ways to learn is by simply diving in and experimenting. Don't be afraid to ask your AI assistant questions, even if they seem silly or basic. There's no such thing as a dumb question when it comes to AI. In fact, the more questions you ask, the more the AI learns about your preferences and communication style. It's like having a conversation with a friend. The more you talk, the better you understand each other. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it takes a bit of practice to master. The important thing is to be patient with yourself, embrace the learning process, and have fun exploring the world of AI. Well, there you have it. You've taken the first steps into the exciting world of AI. Remember, this is just the beginning of an incredible journey of discovery and innovation. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. and I'm here to support you every step of the way. That's why I created Genie AI, to make AI accessible and understandable for everyone, regardless of your age or technical expertise. I encourage you to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions. The world of AI is vast and constantly expanding, and there's always something new to discover. So, what will your first AI adventure be? Will you try writing a poem with ChatGPT, or maybe plan your next vacation with Grok? The choice is yours. So what's your first step with AI? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you might have. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Genie AI so you don't miss out on future videos. Next time we'll dive deeper into how AI can save you time on everyday tasks, making your life easier and more enjoyable. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you unleash the genie in AI. Together, let's explore the magic and make AI work for you. See you in the next video.